In this video, I'll show you how to change the URL slug of product page in WooCommerce. As an example, here's the product on my site with the title of coffee table, but if we look closely at the URL bar, the URL slug is sample-product. As you can see, it's much different than product title. So to edit the product URL slug, first we'll log into WordPress dashboard, and then hover on products, and then select all products. Now locate the product in question, in my case is this one, coffee table, and then select edit. Once the page loads, at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then make sure the URL slug option is enabled, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Usually at the very bottom of the page, you'll see the URL slug section. That's where you can make the change. As in my case, I'll change it from sample product to coffee table. Coffee-table. Now let's scroll a bit up, and then update the changes. Once the product was updated, go back to the product page and try refreshing it. And as you can notice, the product URL slug fully matches the product title. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.